Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Dear lovely students, how are you doing today? I believe you are great by the grace of Almighty. I am also pretty much well because we are staying at home. So we have no work. So we are pretty much good, everyone. Because we have to stay at home. We have no school, but we have to read. So I am here for grade 5 students and I want to discuss with you exam preparation question number 11. Okay, type 2. Last week I discussed about with you question number 11 type 1, but now I want to discuss type 2. Okay, are you ready? Please take your pen and exercise book in front of myself. I am here brought you by ঘরে বসে শিখি. Please have a look. I am here on behalf of ঘরে বসে শিখি. It is a wonderful page. It is a great page for you. You have learned a lot of things because we are a lot of teacher teach you every day. Okay, so it's a chance, never miss the chance. So before going to the class, I want to sing a song for you, with you. Okay, are you interested? Let's start. A common song. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome some days. Oh, deep in my heart, we do believe that we shall overcome days. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we are not afraid today. We are not afraid. So we have a courage. So let's get start our class. Which class? Question number 11 and type 2. You need to see your book. Without book we discuss with you. This is my identification. This is Raihana, head teacher of Bashgari 1 GPS, means Government Primary School, Bhoirav, Kishoreganj. I am familiar with you because every week I am coming here this time. So what do we do? Fill in the blanks by writing the time so that the story makes a sense. Use AM, PM where necessary. You have to write down AM, PM, also time. Fill in the blanks by writing the times so that the story makes a sense. Use AM, PM where necessary. Okay, you have to fill in the blanks. How many? 5, at least 5, and you have to write down the time with include of AM, PM. Can you remember what is the AM? After morning, in the morning to 12, in the morning to 12 you write down AM. After 12 PM you write down PM. Okay, at late night when your time is 12 o'clock, after that you have to write down 1 o'clock AM. From start at midnight AM and finish at 12 PM. Okay, after that you have to write down after 12 PM. Now it is time 3 o'clock. Now you have to write down which? PM, and up to 12 you have to write down PM and then AM. Okay, so I write down here for your better understanding. Look at the screen because we have no textbook, we have no exercise in the textbook, so we have to write see from the screen. I am Sonia. In the evening at dash, I sit and study. I study for an hour. Then at dash, I take a short break for 15 minutes. I sit study again at dash. After completing my studies, I watch TV for 30 minutes from dash to dash. Then I take my dinner at dash. How many blanks? 5 blanks. I indicate here by red color for your better understanding. So, I write down at first A, after that B, after that C, after that D, after that E, okay, for your better understanding, so that you can see easily. First one, her name is Sonia. In the evening, you write down from your own self. In the evening at dash, I sit at study. When you dash for study? At 7 o'clock, at 7 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. or 8 p.m. you write down. Okay. I study for an hour. How many times? For an hour. You have to write down and subtract from the time. At 7, after that 1 hour he study. If you write down first one is 7, you have to write down 8 at 8 p.m. because here is 1 hour. You study 1 hour. 7 p.m. Here you write down 8 p.m. I take a short break for 15 minutes. How minutes? How much time? 15 minutes. I sit study again at 8:30, 8:15 p.m. After completing my studies, I watch TV for 30 minutes. How much time? 30 minutes. From dash to dash, you have to subtract or adding the time. At first 7, after that 8, after that take 15 minutes, that means 8:30 minutes. After that he watch TV, she watch TV, and how much time? For 30 minutes. That means 9 and then 9:30. Then I take my dinner at dash. When? 10 p.m. or 10:30 as you wish. So, you write down these text from the screen by your own concept, from your own concept, okay. From your own concept means own self, okay. Dear students, I think you have understood what I said. I am Sonia. In the evening at dash, I sit at study, she sit at study, I study for an hour. Then at dash, I take a short break for 15 minutes. I sit study again at dash. After completing my studies, I watch TV for 30 minutes, dash to dash. Then I take my dinner at dash. Okay. Okay, have you complete? Sure. You said to me, yes ma'am or yes miss. Now you can see another blanks. Here another blanks. Fill in the blanks by writing the time so that the story makes a sense. Use AM and PM where necessary. Sufia works in an office. Her name Sufia. She is going out of Dhaka for a few days. She leaves her house at dash for Kamalpur station. She reaches Kamalpur station at dash. Then she arrives at the platform at dash. She gets on the train at dash. Dash means blanks. The train starts just at dash. Now, please try to complete the blanks by the time using AM and PM. So, Sufia works where? In an office. She is going out Dhaka for a few days. Yeah. She leaves her house at dash. She leaves her house at 7 p.m., 7 a.m. as you wish. 7 a.m. She reaches Kamalapur station. You write down 9 a.m. Then she arrived at the platform at dash 9:15 a.m. She gets on the train at dash 9:30. Gets on. This train starts just at dash 10 a.m. Okay, because she is working in a office, so she have to start her journey early in the morning, because she have to reach the office at 10 a.m. by 10 a.m. Okay, again I write down here the clue words by color of red, so that it is visible for you easily. A, B, C, D, E. How many blanks? 5 blanks. Dash mean blanks. You have to write down the times by using AM and PM. Sophia works at office, so you have to remember the office start at 10 a.m. So she start her journey early in the morning. She is going out Dhaka for a few days. She leaves her house at dash. She leaves her house at 7 a.m. for Kamalapur station. 7 a.m. means early in the morning. She reaches Kamalpur station. She reaches Kamalpur station at dash 7:30. Okay. Then she arrives at the platform at dash 7:30. You may write down 7:45 a.m. She gets on the train at 8 a.m. or 8 a.m. Then the train starts just at 8:30 a.m. After that she reaches the office. Okay, have you complete? Please try to write down in your copy. Copy means exercise book. Have you complete? Sure, because you are brilliant, you always done good job, I think, because it's a popular phase. Those are watching me right now, I think everybody is brilliant, excellent student, my dear students. So in the meantime I have completed 2 fill in the blanks. I show 2 fill in the blanks here for your better understanding. I think that you have done well. I don't see because I am in front of the Facebook page. I have no scope to see face to face, but one day you can show your exercise or notebook your teacher, for your teacher, when your school will reopen. Yes, one day your school will reopen. We are waiting for good days. So one day one word. This is the common things. So write down the word schedule. Schedule means schedule, timetable. Schedule, timetable. Here is a schedule for you. This is a schedule for you. Schedule means timetable. Please spell with me schedule. Schedule, timetable. schedule. Schedule, timetable. Here is a schedule for you. Have you cleared, dear students? Have you cleared? Yes. Are you clear? Because you are great. I love you. So I have a homework for you. You have to write down and please WhatsApp me. If you have time, WhatsApp me by this number. What have you done? You have to write a paragraph. As you wish, I give you 5 sentences at least. If you want more, you can write down. How many? 10 or 11 as you wish. Write a paragraph about your daily activities. When you go to your school, when you start your journey for school or anything. If you work in a garden, when you go to the garden, which time you weeding the garden, when you give the watering the garden, right, like this. Okay, but never forget to use time. AM and PM. You have to write down also AM, PM and also write down the time. How many blanks? 5 blanks. 5 blanks. It is a 11 question number of 11. Here are 3 types. One is question and answer and second one is fill in the blanks. And next class I will discuss type 3. Okay. Okay. I think everything is clear. Now I want to say for you, happy learning or happy studying. Keep practicing. See you next class. Till then, bye. Okay, lovely students. Bye bye.